What if the phone in your pocket is already on its way out, replaced by a pair of glasses on your face? It sounds like science fiction, but in 2026, the biggest tech companies on Earth are racing to make it real. They are betting that smart glasses will become the next device you cannot live without. This video breaks down who is winning, what these glasses can actually do, and the one giant problem standing in the way. Here is the twist. The company leading right now is not the one most people would guess. So why glasses and why now? For years, smart glasses were a joke. They were bulky, awkward, and made people look strange. But something changed recently. The technology got smaller, the designs got better, and powerful AI arrived that could live inside the glasses and talk to you. Suddenly, glasses became a real way to get information without ever pulling out a phone. The whole industry shifted from a punchline into a serious race. Who is in the lead right now? Here is the surprise. It is not Apple, the company famous for the iPhone. The current leader is Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram. Meta teamed up with the famous eyewear brand Ray-Ban to make smart glasses that actually look like normal, stylish sunglasses. And people bought them. Reports say these glasses have sold millions of pairs, which proved something huge. Regular people will wear smart glasses if they look good enough. What can those glasses even do? The popular versions let you take photos and videos just by looking and speaking. You can ask a built-in AI questions and hear the answer in your ears. You can get directions, play music, or even have the glasses describe what you are looking at. Meta also pushed things further with a higher-end version that adds a small color display right inside the lens, so you can see information float in front of your eye. That kind of see-through display was a major step forward. So if Meta is ahead, what is everyone else doing? This is where the race heats up. Google, the company that makes the Android software on most phones, is jumping back in with its own platform built for glasses. The clever part is Google's AI assistant, which can see what you see through the camera and help you in real time. Imagine looking at a sign in another language and having your glasses translated instantly, or looking at a meal and asking what is in it. Google is also teaming up with eyewear and fashion brands, so the glasses look like something you would actually want to wear. Why are these companies partnering with fashion brands instead of just building tech? That choice tells you everything about this race. The companies have figured out that the hard part is not the technology. The hard part is getting people to put something on their face every day. So they are leading with style and comfort, working with respected eyewear makers and even luxury fashion houses to make glasses that fit into a normal wardrobe. When two of the biggest tech giants lead with the look instead of the specs, it shows the real battle is about getting people to adopt them. What about Apple, the giant everyone expects to win? Apple is the sleeping giant in this story. The company is widely reported to be working on its own smart glasses, and many believe that when Apple finally enters, it could shake up the whole market the way it did with phones and watches. For now, Apple is more of a roadmap than a product, but its shadow hangs over every other company. Everyone is racing partly to get a head start before Apple wakes up. Is anyone else worth watching? Yes, and they prove you do not need to be a giant to matter. Smaller companies are making glasses aimed at specific uses, like ones built for gaming that can throw a giant private screen in front of your eyes. Others focus on sleek, simple designs with no camera at all, for people who want the smarts without the worry about privacy. The variety shows how fast this space is growing. There is a different style for almost every kind of person now. What might using these glasses actually feel like day to day? Picture walking through a new city and seeing directions float gently at the edge of your vision, so you never look down at a phone. Imagine a stranger speaking another language while your glasses show you the translation as the words come out. Think about cooking with a recipe sitting right in front of your eyes, hands-free, or getting a soft reminder of a person's name as you walk up to greet them. The promise is that information comes to you the moment you need it, without you ever reaching into a pocket for a screen. But that promise raises a real worry. and it is one people are right to ask about: privacy. A pair of glasses with a camera built into the frame can record the world around you, including other people who never agreed to be filmed. That makes some folks uneasy, and it is a big reason a few companies build glasses with no camera at all, focusing only on audio and information. How society chooses to handle cameras worn on faces is one of the open questions hanging over this entire race. The technology is racing ahead, while the rules and manners around it are still trying to catch up. So, with all this excitement, what is the giant problem holding everything back? It comes down to the display. Putting a clear, full-color screen inside a thin lens while keeping the glasses light and the battery lasting all day is extremely hard. Experts describe the technology stack needed to do it well as something close to an impossible sandwich, with many delicate layers crammed into a tiny space. Right now, the glasses that include a real display are expensive and limited. The glasses that are cheap and comfortable often skip the display and stick to audio and cameras. Why does that problem matter so much? Because it decides how fast this future arrives. If companies can crack the display challenge and bring the price down, glasses could truly start to replace the phone for many tasks. If they cannot, glasses will stay a fun extra gadget rather than the main device. The entire race is really a race to solve that one hard puzzle, then make it cheap enough for everyone. Where is all of this heading? The market for these glasses is growing fast, projected to balloon in size over the next several years. 2026 is shaping up as the year smart glasses stop being a strange novelty and start showing up on shelves in regular eyewear stores. You may soon walk into a shop to buy glasses and be asked whether you want the smart kind. That alone shows how close this future has crept. Here is the takeaway. The phone is not gone yet, but the giants of tech are placing huge bets that the screen in your hand will one day move to the lenses on your face. Meta leads, Google is charging hard, and Apple looms in the distance. The winner will be whoever solves the display puzzle and makes the glasses light, stylish, and cheap enough to wear all day. So the next time you see someone wearing what looks like ordinary glasses, look a little closer. You might be staring at the device that slowly replaces the smartphone. Tap like, subscribe, and comment. Would you actually wear a pair?